Overcoming productivity loss in mortgage businesses. 70%. That's how many businesses are trapped by disconnected systems, silently draining productivity and profit from mortgage companies. Multiple platforms, teams, and silos, each holding only a fragment of the truth. Studies reveal a 20% productivity loss. That's 8 hours per operational employee every single week. Imagine the impact. Loan processing drags out, borrowers grow frustrated, and profits slip through the cracks. These inefficiencies aren't just annoying, they're stealing your potential. For mortgage leaders, blind spots spread like ripples. Teams work harder instead of smarter, and leadership stays guessing. Try answering one simple question. Why are loan turnaround times increasing? You spend hours pulling data from systems that never talk to each other, stumbling in the dark. Your LOS tells you what's happening, how many loans you processed, what's in your pipeline, but it doesn't reveal the why bottlenecks form, why productivity lags, why delays persist. Without the why, you can't fix the problem. You remain stuck, missing crucial opportunities and insights.